Everybody is looking for a way to set goals that actually lead to real results. Hi, I am Pankaj Sharma, and I've spent years helping teams and leaders master the art of OKRs, objectives and key results. Today, I'll show you how to turn your goals into measurable success. Have you ever set goals but struggled to measure if you're truly achieving them? That's where OKRs, objectives and key results come in. It's a powerful framework used by giants like Google and Intel to drive real, measurable success. If you're tired of vague goals and want to make things happen, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. An objective is what you want to achieve. It's broad, it's inspirational, it's the big picture. Key results are how you'll measure success. Think of them like a checklist. They're specific, measurable, and time-bound. For example, say your objective is to improve customer satisfaction. Your key results could be achieve a net promoter score of 70 or higher, reduce response time to under 2 hours, and resolve 90% of tickets in a single interaction. Simple, right? But why do OKRs matter so much? They create alignment across your teams, so everyone's pulling in the same direction. They make progress transparent. You can see exactly how you're tracking instead of guessing. That leads to accountability and honestly a lot more motivation. When the whole team knows what the finish line looks like, it's easier to get there together. Now you might have heard about KRAs, key result areas. How are they different from OKRs? Let's compare. A KRA is a broad responsibility area linked to a job role. For example, a sales manager's KRA might be sales growth, but OKRs take it a step further by making it measurable. So the objective could be grow sales revenue, and your key results might look like close $2 million in new deals by Q2, increase conversion rate to 25%, and add 50 new clients this year. See the difference. KRAs are about responsibility. OKRs are about results. So how do you create effective OKRs? Here's my quick guide. First, keep your objectives inspiring, not just a to-do list item. Second, limit yourself to 3 to 5 key results per objective so you don't get overwhelmed. Third, make sure your key results are measurable and have a deadline. And finally, focus on outcomes, not activities. For example, if you're on a marketing team, your objective might be increase brand awareness. Key results could be reach 500,000 social media impressions in Q1, publish 10 guest articles, and achieve 100 media mentions. That's actionable and trackable. OKRs turn vision into measurable outcomes. So next time you set goals for yourself, your team, or your whole organization, use OKRs instead of vague resolutions. Set objectives. Track key results. Achieve success. Like, share, and subscribe for more productivity and leadership insights.